Hi, how are you? Fine, thank you. And you? Hi, 你好吗？我很好。你呢？ Hello everyone, welcome back to Chinese with Ekaku yo. Does 你好吗 really exist in Chinese or not? Question mark. Of course. In Chinese, there is 你好吗. Of course, we understand this sentence. Also, we use it. But, ragazzi. Boys and girls, it depends really on which situation you use it. Please not use it in a boring way or overused. Okay? 你好吗 actually is not a question that we really expected to answer to. So, in this video, I'm going to give you lots of alternatives of how are you. I break them down in 3 sections. I'm gonna give you casual, how are you, between friends and families. Formal, how are you, between work situations, emails. And some fun, how are you. You could choose them freely, which situation you prefer to use. So, this video will be perfectly improving your Chinese vocabulary. But if you really want to improve your Chinese listening and pronunciation even further, I highly recommend you watch this video from every beginning to the end. After you forget 你好吗, a few minutes later, you learn the first one is 最近好吗? 最近好吗? And you will reply by saying 挺好的，你呢? You might hear somebody respond with 还行吧，还行吧，还行吧. That means just so-so. Or you could say 马马虎虎，马马虎虎，马马虎虎。Horse, horse, tiger, tiger. That means just so-so. Number 2. 最近可好？最近可好？ This is really warm and friendly. I really like it. You could answer 不怎么样 actually means recently actually I'm not being so good. The third one is very local one is Hey, 最近咋样啊？哎，最近咋样？哎，最近咋样呀？ You could answer 还那样呗，还那样 Nothing much, not at all. Number 4. 吃饭了吗？吃饭了吗？你吃了吗？吃啥了？吃得好吗？吃没吃？吃啥呀？吃的啥呀？ About eating. Because in our culture, the most important thing is eating. Eating is the most important thing. So our topic is the same as in England. In London, you ask about the weather. It's the same situation. We ask about you eat or not. It's like this. So you could answer, 刚吃完，吃了，吃挺好的。吃了可多了，吃了，你呢？吃了，你呢？ Number 5. 最近忙啥呢？最近忙啥呢？ That means what are you busy with recently? What are you doing recently? It's better than how are you when you talk with your friends or in the working place. Maybe you come back from your holiday and then you ask your colleagues, 最近忙啥呢? You could let's start with this way. It's better than say 你好吗? Right? If you tell with this word, 最近忙啥呢? Other Chinese people will surprise and your Chinese level is very, very high, right? Very high. You could answer 没忙啥呀？没忙啥呀？ It not means you are not busy. That means nothing special. 没忙啥？你呢？你咋样呀？ Number 6. 最近都顺利吗？最近都顺利吗？ That means everything is good, right? Like this. Everything is perfect, right? For example, you could ask, 工作最近顺利吗？工作顺利吗？学习最近顺利吗？考试顺利吗？考试顺利吗？手术顺利吗？一切都顺利吗？ Like this. Got it? If on the street you not know this person, you never know her name, please not directly in front of him or her ask, 你好吗? It's really feel uncomfortable. Really uncomfortable. So, 你好吗? Please not in this situation use it. Never ever please. Please don't forget to leave me a comment and tell me which one you prefer to use in the future, which one is your favorite. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.